We have a whole line of old horse-drawn, and some of it is PTO-driven farm equipment, a lot of iron wheels and stuff. I'm going to run through it real quick. Here's a real nice iron wheel in this. The rest of it is what it is. Wheels, 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 wheels. The matching big wheel to that first one. Then we get into the stuff that's not so mangled. This wooden tongue is all part of it. Then we got another metal disc here, metal wheels. Another metal disc with metal wheels. Another Sycle. This is actually PTO driven. It might be John Deere because it's green. I'm not sure. This next one actually is a John Deere Sycle. It actually says John Deere number 3 right there. And we got a big rake with metal wheels. Grain drill, put flowers in that or something. And the top, if you wanted, nice metal wheels. Another thing over here, metal wheels, and this is some kind of pull behind bucket to move dirt or something with. Here's another nice set of metal wheels, and there's more metal wheels kind of like this in the shed and stuff that I don't even have on the video, so that's what we're looking at.